Alright guys, so I got my nail bestie here and we are opening up a package from Black Friday from Sweetie Nail Supply. Yay! Let's see what kind of goodies we got in here. I wasn't expecting this to come nearly as soon because one of the items I ordered was a pre-order. So I'm hoping it's in here, but it's hard to say. It may still be shipping or something because it said like 2 to 6 weeks or 2 to 4 weeks. So there's a chance. Oh, no, I see it. Okay. And it's the most exciting thing I was excited about. Okay, so this is going to be, this box is so big. I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to put it on the floor and take things out one at a time because this box is so big. There's so much stuff in here, guys, that it's going to be hard to do it from the box. So let's move the box down. And let's start.
Okay.
Somewhere. What is this? Okay. So Sweetie Nail Supply is known for being in Canada and selling Korean gels and Japanese gels, I think, and that kind of fun stuff. So this is the first time. They have some
great stuff.
They have all kinds of stuff, and this is the first time that I've started trying this kind of stuff out, like Korean gels and everything.
Okay.
So this one is Jin.B, and they're all sets. I think all sets that I got from this place. So you see what I mean? Well, this isn't even the packaging that I was thinking about, but
no, but it's very
this
nice.
Is still very like,
yeah.
You know, they have a
that's so
little
neat.
color card that comes with it, and then you'll do your little nail samples on each of these.
Okay.
So one of them will be for glossy, one will be for matte, and that will be for your clients to be able to see what they look like, right? So,
ooh, fancy.
So these are all syrup gels, and these colors were, I'm not going to show you, you can kind of see them here, but they were like earthy tones, like fall stuff. Most of the stuff I got was kind of fall stuff, just because that's what was available, and that seems to be more or less the style of syrup gels from what I've seen. It's not a ton of bright colors.
Color right there.
So I'll put these back. So that's Jin.B Sunset. And of course I'll be doing swatches for everything.
Are they like
later.
matte?
No, they'll be, well, you can put, you'll put whatever color you want.
Okay.
Yeah. But they'll have that syrupy texture where it's not.
It's like thicker.
Yeah, it's kind of translucent. So it's kind of see-through, but it's not.
Yeah.
As opposed to the stuff that's super sheer that you can completely see through it, right? So,
starting off with a bang.
There we go. All right, so there's number one. Let's see, I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff, but okay. Yeah, this one had a lot. Oh, this one's pretty.
Okay, yes. I like this, purple.
Yeah, and this one's sparklies.
Ooh, sparkly.
So this is Mithmillo the Starlit collection. Oh, we got upside down.
Ooh.
So this has, again, there's your card for putting all your little samples on, right? And these are individually boxed.
That's cute.
Their packaging and even their bottles and stuff, they all kind of go all out.
Those bottles are nice.
But I'm not one for fancy packaging. But these are the ones that are like opaly.
That's nice.
That one's kind of hard to tell because there's no real
color
to it. Yeah,
that's nice. It's very sparkly.
Here's a like a purpley one. Let's see if we can see the colors there. Yeah, these are like Aurora.
The top of the bottle is like a lipstick tube.
I know.
And it has the color on it.
Isn't that crazy?
That is really cute.
So I think I have some that are really similar.
Yeah, those are nice.
So I'll see. Oh, here did I?
I think it's so cute how their bottle is a lipstick tube. I can't get over that.
Yeah, some of the Korean packaging, the bottles are like, oh, they do all kinds of wild stuff to them. Again, it's like for branding to like separate themselves from everybody, but
yeah, it's still cute.
It does make stuff more expensive, which isn't, you know. For me, I'm not a sucker for packaging, but here's a couple of ones here.
Okay.
Yeah, this place and Zillaboo are the ones that I got the most stuff from. So this is the Blossom Ending collection from Yogurt Nail. So this and the Jin.B are the less expensive ones.
Okay.
As far as pricing. So like, look at this is like a lot more minimal packaging and
oh, those are nice.
And pretty basic kind of bottles. This set was all, and again, I'll be swatching everything, but it's all nude, the nude syrup gels.
Okay.
So they have that kind of transparent look to them. Like they're kind of like a jelly look without being completely sheer is the idea. So syrup gels. So we'll see what those are like. That's not working. So there it goes. So that's Yogurt Nail Blossom Ending. There's 12 colors in that one. I think that's the biggest collection there was. Ooh, this one's another pretty one. This is Cat's Me. And I don't know how to say the collection name. Yeah, I don't know how to say that. You try. What does that say?
Cheomseongdae?
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Neither one of us know what it's called, but that's all good. So I got some kind of a certificate imported by the authorized certified importer. Okay, well, that's cool. And again, you get your little card for doing your samples so that you can put that in your salon. And
wow, those are so pretty.
So they do double color, right? So you got purple and blue, and they're cat eyes.
Oh, wow.
So here they're just going to look silver, but when you play with the magnet, they're going to change. Yeah. Okay. So there you can see like a little sample on them, but that's not a very good. It's not the greatest sample to see, but it gives you an idea of the color anyway. So yeah, so there's that collection.
That's cute. A really cool. That's
really see the packaging really is cool starting to amp up, right?
Yeah.
So that'll be fun to see if it's actually different from any of the other cat eyes that I already have, which who knows, maybe not. And this is Yeori. Show Me collection. Oh, Show Me? Okay, Show Me is the brand. Yeori is the collection. So that was misleading, but yeah, I'm looking at, okay. So this is a slide open. Go slide that open. Wow. And again, we got our color card for doing it. And this one was a nice, like, different kind of colors, right? So, again, like this will be syrup. Yeah, right? Like, kind of bordering fall pastel kind of colors. And again, it's that syrupy kind of... So, yeah, I really like the colors.
The sparkle is really nice. I like sparkle, though.
Yeah, sparkle.
I'm always drawn to sparkle.
Sparkle. I noticed a lot of the collections will have, like, a bunch of a solid color, and then they'll come with the sparkle as well. So that's Yeori. And I think this is a bonus that they gave me. So
bonus? That's always
I
nice.
think so, because... Or maybe I bought it. I don't know. I don't know if I bought that. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
I found a thank you card in there. So that's really nice. Okay, so I got 2 different similar things to try out. So these are sponges for doing ombres.
Okay.
So the one brand is Mithmillo.
Comes in a little cupcake.
Yes,
thing.
comes in a little cupcake. Cute. Right? And these sponges are supposed to be a specific kind of density and stuff to do, as opposed to like a typical makeup sponge, to do a better ombre stuff, right?
Okay.
Make it easier. And then I got the same thing in this brand, which is the Ablliz. And, now that's making me think that they made a mistake. But we'll see. Because I think I remember buying the peel-off base coat I was telling you about from here.
Okay, yeah.
So then
Maybe that's what that black box is.
But it's not the right brand.
Okay.
So then, yeah. So it looks like they're probably
it
identical.
says right here, perfect gradation, fullness and tightness, airbrush-like effect.
Yeah, right? So, yeah, you know, when I bought those stickers for the French, so then you use something like this, and they go in one of these little pickers.
Oh, okay.
Which this
claws.
one came with. Yeah.
Yeah, I like those little claws.
So this one came with the picker tool, which I already have one, but mine, I actually got mine on, I don't know where, like AliExpress or Amazon or something.
Those
and it's
so
an electronic, this is for doing like small electronic work for computers and stuff like that, is what they originally were, I guess, around for.
You got a new one.
But yeah, this one came with it. So yeah, comes with a little picker.
Cute. Oh yeah, that's
wing.
Cute. Yeah.
And then you go to do your little airbrush ombre look. So we'll see if these are really any better, because these aren't cheap. They're like $20. It's like, are they really any better than using a makeup sponge and cutting it up into little pieces? And because certain makeup sponges do have that same type of that particular sponge.
You almost could just cut your own makeup sponges up.
That's what I'm saying, right? Yeah. But some of them are way more dense, so that the style of sponge makes a huge difference, the density and stuff. Yeah. But we'll see. We'll see if there's a difference. Okay. And this was what I was super excited for.
Is this the best for last?
This is the best for last.
Okay.
And I thought it'd be weeks and weeks before it came, but it didn't come. Oh, and that's something else I got too. All right. So this is the Dvok Marblefit. Yeah, that's after. So this is... Look,
this is Dvok also, just so you know.
That's what I'm saying. I think there might have been
those two go together.
Because I'm pretty sure this is where I tried getting a peel-off base coat so that we could try getting your nails off easier. Yeah. But I don't... But it could have been another company. I'm not sure. I just don't remember buying something separate. Sometimes they add in free goodies, but...
Ooh, I see gold.
Look at this packaging.
Ooh, holy smokes.
All right. So again, for your colors. Now, this set is supposed to be... But do you see what I mean about this packaging? Like, yes, it's beautiful. It looks nice. It's so cool. But this box would have probably cost $5 or more to have made. And so that increases the price. And these are all just going to come out and go on my shelf, right? Yeah. I'm not going to keep them in the box. So the idea with this is for doing marbling and stuff, only with like pinpoint, like precision kind of inks. It's supposed to, or not inks, gel polish. Yeah. It's supposed to make your marbling like super easy and look really cool. Give it those effects. Yeah. All those nails that I like that are like an opal look and the marbling look. Yeah. So you put this down. Yes, so there's your... Nope, that's white. Oh, okay, so that's what this is. Okay.
So that is the alcohol stuff. Or not alcohol, but that's the stuff that makes it spread out?
It should be. That's the idea. I'm thinking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, so it's supposed to come, if I'm not mistaken, with 10 colors. And then your base that you put down... What it is. This just says gel polish, but I cannot read the rest of it, so I don't know what it actually is. So you put down your base, and like, so what I got this to compare to is called blooming gel. Okay. So usually you would put your blooming gel down, and you don't cure it. It's all liquidy, and then you drop your polish into it, and it spreads out. Okay, so it spreads out into big blobs or into patterns or whatever.
This is, or the idea? Like
so that's the idea of what this is supposed to be. Only, so it's the Marblefit base. Perfect. So you put down this base. It should be a regular brush. Yeah.
It's clear,
Yeah. So you put down that's your base. So it would be like the blooming gel. And then you use your ink's precision to like,
and then you just
put in all your marble
on there, and then it
makes you let it. Effect. So then you have this down. And then you use your thin lines and you kind of draw it wherever you want. And then it goes, and it starts spreading out, right? Cool. And so just to see if it's a lot better than using a blooming gel, maybe it comes together way quicker and easier, or gives it a way better look, or it's hard to say. Yeah. Okay. So again, it might not be any different than blooming gel, but we'll see. I'll do a comparison against them. But This is the one that most people like were more interested in and
It's
stuff in my
nice.
group. They're like, let's see what that Dvok is like.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I'm really happy that it came already. Okay.
And what's this?
And that's the box empty. Oh yeah, thank you. This is angel paper. So it's for doing, and it's nice and thin.
Yeah.
It's for doing those looks where they, I don't know if I can explain it. It's like an aura look.
Yep.
And then when you tilt the nail, it looks all different.
Yep.
There's like a thing on the top, and I
Is
don't know
this
how to
the
explain
same
it.
as the rolls of that stuff you got, the plaid stuff?
No. Well.
Like, do you
I am not sure.
put
Yeah.
it on and
It looked like from the, like, so I have some of these sheets from before, but it's a much thicker paper,
oh,
and you have to physically cut out the shape,
okay.
right, and lay it and glue it onto the,
Yeah, I
or,
think I know what you're
get it
talking
onto the
about.
nail, and so it's a thick piece of paper, and then
Yeah.
you have to encase it
So it's like
and
the
encapsulate
ones-
it so it gets really
It's like
thick.
all the little puzzle pieces that I see people doing, and it's like that.
No, it's one solid piece usually that goes in the middle of the nail,
Okay.
and then it gives this cool effect when you turn it. This, when I looked at the video on the product listing, it looked like this works as a foil, that you put something down like a sticky base,
Yeah.
and then you put this down, and then when you lift it,
Okay.
it just leaves the color. It doesn't have an actual thick
Okay.
piece of paper.
That's
but
cool.
I'm not sure. We'll have to see if but that's why I got it, even though I have lots of angel paper that is almost identical to this, right? It was like, this one looked like it worked like a foil,
Yeah.
and it comes away from it, which would make it that your profile of your nail would be way lower. It wouldn't be this big glob. So we'll see.
Well, it looks cool.
So I'll
anyways.
check that out and see what it is. So yeah.
All right.
So that was everything from Sweetie Nail Supply, and thank you. Okay, thanks guys. Don't forget to love your nails.